Hi everybody, this is Alan from Ripperton Resources LLC, and today I want to show you how to mount our wall mount for the Milwaukee blower. And it's really easy. There's two screw holes, one here, and all I have is some drywall screws, and so I'm just going to stick it in there, put it up against wherever I want to mount it. You can see it just attaches on there. Attachment points here and also here, and that attaches to these little wings they have that they built on here, and also this little keyhole that they have. And so it's really simple. You just put it up there and slide it in. That holds it steady. Notice it doesn't rock. The other way to mount it is to just let it sit in the little cavity up there. Now it does kind of bounce around, but you can always move it back, and that holds it really steady. It's really easy to use. It's very simple. You can get them on rippertonresources.com. Talk to you later.